Dear South Africans, this is an apology video on behalf of Nigerians as a whole, on behalf of the Igbo community in South Africa. I am taking it upon myself. I know that a lot of people will come to my DM to insult me, to ask me who asked you to render apology, but I don't care. But I am sending this apology video from the depth of my heart on behalf of all Nigerians, most especially the Igbos, whether they agree or they do not agree. We are very, very sorry, South Africans. And I want to let you people know that there is nothing like king, Nigerian king in South Africa. Nigeria do not have a king in South Africa. We condemn that claim. We condemn that claim with everything in us. As a matter of fact, the Ohaneze Ndi Igbo, which are the Igbo leaders in South Africa, have also condemned that claim. We only appointed a leader. And the leader we are talking about is not like a leader of all Nigerians in South Africa. Is the leader of a particular people in a particular town, not for all Nigerians. So I am using this medium to say we are very, very sorry. Please, we are very, very sorry. We are not creating any kingdom in South Africa, and there is nothing as king in South Africa from another country, most especially Nigeria. We are very, very sorry. I mean, how can one be a king without a kingdom? Nakimishi, how can somebody claim to be a king in a land that is not his, in a country that is not his? As a matter of fact, let me make it clear. Igbo man cannot be a king in another Igbo state in Nigeria. So talk more of being a king in another country that is not yours with a different culture. So we totally condemn that claim of a king. We appointed, or rather they appointed a leader, not a king, because he doesn't have a kingdom in South Africa. We are only here to survive. We are only here to work. We are only here to obey the rules and regulations of this great nation, South Africa. We are not here to claim what we are not. We are not from this kingdom, and we will never claim to be from this kingdom. So if anybody is parading himself as a king, please disregard it. Nobody is a king. No Nigerian is a king in South Africa. There is only one ruler in South Africa, which is you people's ruler, your king, your monarch, your whatsoever. We Nigerians, we do not have king in South Africa. So kindly accept my apology on behalf of all Nigerians. I don't care whether they agree with me or not, but on behalf of everybody, we are sorry. Please, we do not want to fight. Please, we do not want attacks, because we know that this is where it is driving, and our people have they have it grade 1 in making people angry, making people wanting to see everybody as bad people. Please, we are not bad people. We are not bad people. We cannot claim what we are not. Nigeria do not have a king in South Africa, and that's on period. Do not listen to whatever anybody wants to say. Listen to what I am saying. We do not have a king, and as long as I'm concerned, there is no Igbo king, there is no Nigerian king in South Africa, because we don't have kingdom here. We don't belong here. At the end of the day, we go back to our country, we go back to our kingdom, we go back to our land. So if anybody is claiming to be a king in South Africa, kindly disregard that. Thank you, and God bless you. And as for Ndi Igbo, they're gonna stop till they put us for trouble. Every time Nigeria this, every time Nigeria that. Are we the only country in this country? Are we the only foreigners in this country? Every time is always Nigeria, and Nigeria have not trended for anything good. It's always something bad, something controversial. Why must it be always us? We have Ghanaians here. Have you seen that Ghanaians are raising their kingship here? We have Ethiopians here. Have you heard that Ethiopians have king here? We have Somalians. Are they practicing their leadership here? Please let us respect ourselves. We are in this country to survive. We have to respect the rules and laws of this country. We are not here to claim what we are not. If you think you have made money, carry your money, go back to Nigeria, go and develop yourself, go and develop your country, and leave other people who have not really made it to actually come up. Everybody is fighting for survival. So don't use your own to spoil other people's own. How can you claim to be a king in a country that is totally different from your country? Do you know how many countries we have to cross before we get to South Africa, and you are here to claim a king? You are a leader, not a king. You are a leader. Bikonu, they put us for trouble, I beg. Thank you and God bless you. The insults can come in actually.